You have just completed the certification and now you see the LinkedIn full of posts about AI taking over that role. Does that sound familiar to you? Well, then don't worry. In next 3 minutes, I'm gonna tell you where do you exactly stand. Hey there, I'm Shraddha from Knowlathon, where we simplify IT certifications for 50,000 plus learners worldwide. And we are proudly accredited by PeopleSet, PMI, ISACA, Exin, PCB and more. So, why wait? Let's get started. In second episode of AI Survival series, we are going to break down which certifications are future-proof, which ones need an AI upgrade, and how you can stay ahead. Let's get real. AI is not coming, it's already here. And here is what it's changing. ISO 27001 and cybersecurity now demands AI risk control and threat detection models. In project management, now you need to manage AI tools alongside people, like giving tasks to automation tool while keeping the teams aligned. ITL4 and DevOps are evolving with AI-powered automation. But strategy and governance? It's still human-driven. Bottom line, certifications are not outdated, but the static learners are. If your certification, or let's say you are not keeping up, then it will lose value over the time faster than you think. What can you do right now? Well, we are telling our clients to don't skip the traditional certifications, but choose the ones which evolve with AI. For example, certifications like AZ900, where you learn cloud plus AI foundations. CompTIA Security Plus with AI threat coverage. The next one is AI Ops, where DevOps meets AI. CSM PSM are now integrating Agile plus AI dynamics. And then comes ISO 27001 LI and SIM Foundation with compliance automation. And don't forget to attend webinars or seminars to stay updated with what's new in your field. Also, these courses are not just random ones, but they are the survival gears in the age of AI. Professionals who know how to work with AI will lead. The rest will follow or get left behind. So, which one you want to be? Tell me in the comments. And I think it's high time that we stop asking, will AI take my job? And start asking, how can I lead with AI by my side? Are you ready to upgrade your certification path? Then visit knowlathon.com. And we are not here to teach the courses. We are here to build future-ready professionals. Like, share and subscribe if this has helped you shift your perspective. Let's meet in the next episode of AI Survival Series. Till then, learn, grow and repeat.